So this is so funny. There's so much white, my video camera couldn't focus for a minute or two. I was trying to catch the wind gust. We just had some big, huge wind gust. It's not constant, but when they hit, it's really bad. I just missed catching the latest gust. Anyway, it's bad. It sucks. You probably can't tell because there's not enough contrast just how much snow is down there. But that's a lot of darn snow. There's Jim's truck. Sarah's car. All of that used to be plowed. Excuse me, not plowed, shoveled. Because you've hardly seen a plow. But they're all very, very busy, I know that. This is a record-breaking event. The most snow we've ever had. The snowiest season in recorded history in Maryland. And Baltimore is taking the worst of it. That's it for now.